Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, in this video we will discuss about question number 39, NEET Physics paper 2015. Hello students, let us move to question number 39. In this question, you are asked to find the approximate depth. The approximate depth of an ocean is 2700 meter. So height is 2700 meter. The compressibility of water is this. So compressibility K, or I'll write reciprocal bulk modulus, that is 1 over K compressibility. It is 45.4 10 raised to power minus 11 PA minus 1. Okay, and density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So we are asked to find the what fraction or what fractional compression of water will be obtained. What fractional compression of water will be obtained at the bottom of the ocean. The bottom of the ocean is this much. This is the depth, and fractional compression of water. If you think of water, then how much is the change in volume of water to the original volume? This is called fractional compression of water. So this fractional compression of water can be obtained by the formula. So we know that the bulk modulus K equals to change in pressure over change in volume upon original volume. This is the volumetric strain, this is the change in pressure. So from here, this delta V over V can be obtained as delta P divided by K, that is 1 over K, and 1 over K is this one. So you can use this formula. Now delta V over V equals to 1 over K into delta T. 1 over K is the compressibility, which is given by or I write 1 over K, and delta P is change in pressure when this is the surface of ocean and this is the depth at a distance of 2700 height. The pressure here is given by the change in pressure here and here is given by the change in pressure is rho g h. So it is rho g and h. If I write C for compressibility, then compressibility rho g h. The compressibility is given as 45.4 10 to the power minus 11 into rho density of water is 10 raised to power 3. G is I will take 10. G I will take 10, and H is 2700. This is in all the quantities are expressed in SI system of units. Now this will become, this is 2, 3, 6, 6, 5 is left, 10 raised to power minus 5, and this is 45.4 into 27. Okay. Now the answers are in 10 to the power minus 2. So I'll write this in terms of minus 2. So I have to write this as 4.54 and these are 0.27. Then this is 10 to the minus 2. This is now minus 2 because 100 is divided here and 10 is divided there. So only 2 is left. Now this I have to multiply approximately, if I want to check, or because these numbers are very close, so I have to multiply it. If I multiply that, the number is 4.54 multiplied with 0.27. Okay, this is the case. So what I will do is I will not consider the decimals. I'll just multiply and shift 4 digits. Okay. This one, and this will be this one 8. Four digit I have to shift 1, 2, 3, 4 here, so it is 1.2 approximately. It is 1. So it is 1.2. I'm getting 1.225. This is not required, so 1.225. So I'll write here this number is delta V over V. I'm getting as 1.225 into power minus 2. If I see the option, then 1.2 10 to the power minus 2, that is the more nearer answer. So approximately it is 1.2 10 to the power minus 2. So this is unitless because this is a fractional change. Same quantities are divided, so no unit, only this is the answer to this question. So the answer to this question is option number 1. That is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.